Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how you can do a cyclic left shift in bitwise operations. Here I have the capital letter A. Now, if we shift this, left shift this by just 1, it should give us these worth of combinations of bits. Now, what we want to do is a cyclic left shift. And the difference between a regular left shift and a cyclic left shift is that the bits that you normally lose in a regular shift is recycled. And what I mean by this is that if we left shift this by 1, we unfortunately lose this 1 and we get filled with a 0 at the very last spot. What we want to do is we want to save this 1 and loop it back to the end location and replace the 0, giving us this combination. And let's say, for example, we don't just do 1, but let's say we do it 6 times. Well, if we do it 6 times, it should give us this combination of bits, which represents the capital letter P in the ASCII table. So if we do this correctly, we should hopefully get the capital letter P printed out into the standard output. So let's go ahead and write this program. Because this is a shift, right? This is a cyclic left shift, but because it's a shift, we still have to shift the letter by the amount, 6 here, which we can put. But we need to do something else in order for the bits that we lose in a normal left shift to be recycled and to loop back to where and replace the zeros where the normal shift fills in. So if we just shift this 6 times, if we shift the capital letter A 6 times, we should lose these 6, right? We should lose them and we should get the remaining zeros. And shifted right now should have this combination of 8 bits. Okay. Well, now we have to save. Now we need to find a way to save these 6 bits that is going to be lost, right? We're going to have to save them, but we're going to have to go a step further, but move these 6 bits to the location where the zeros are going to be filled in, right? So the way that we do that would be, I'm going to call this the isolated bits because we're going to isolate the 6 bits that we lose and we're going to put it to the location that we want. But the way that we would do this is by simply shifting it the opposite way by the difference of the total number of bits, which is 8 here. We are playing around with 8 bits, and the difference between that and the number of times that we are trying to shift. So the number would be here. Now this line of code, line 23, should hopefully give us this combination of bits. But there is just one last step where we have to combine these two in order to get the final outcome of this bit that would represent the capital letter A cyclic left shifted 6 times. So the way that you combine anything in bitwise operation is just simply by using the OR operator. So if we just OR shifted and isolated bits together, hopefully the outcome should give us the capital letter P. We can test that by compiling it, and let's run it. And there you go, capital letter P. And that is how you cyclic left shift in bitwise operations. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.